If you have a house in Finneytown, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and get a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Finneytown, and I'm going to share with you in this video why so many sellers in Finneytown prefer to work with us instead of working with a traditional buyer that needs to qualify for a loan. So with us, it's easy because we're a true as-is buyer. That means you don't got to fix anything at all. And we'll buy any house if it needs a lot of work or a little work. It doesn't matter. We buy it in its as-is condition, so you don't got to hire a handyman or go to the Home Depot. You don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. So you can take with you anything that you want out of the house. Anything that you don't want, you can just leave behind, and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy houses as is we are a true cash buyer. So we don't need to rely on third-party financing or anything like that. That's what you get with a traditional buyer. And what comes with that is thorough inspections and appraisals, and that could actually kill your whole deal if you're working with a traditional buyer. First thing they do is send the inspector through, and it could be intrusive. That's where they test every outlet, light switch, ceiling fan, and really just, open every door, window, and they compile a huge list of everything wrong with the house, and that could be used against you to try to get extensions or discounts and renegotiate and things like that. And then if the house or the deal that you have with this traditional buyer survives the inspection, it could get worse because now they got to send the appraiser through, and if the house doesn't meet the appraiser's requirements, they could totally kill the whole deal, cancel, send you back to square one, and it's just a big waste of time. I've worked with many sellers in Finneytown and all over Ohio where that's happened. They've had a deal with a traditional buyer, it fell apart, and then they end up coming to us and selling to us. But you can't get that time back, and in real estate, it's not just time, it's money, because every day that's gone by where they weren't able to close, well, that's a day you're paying property taxes, insurance, utilities, and everything else. So if you have a house in Finneytown and you want to work with a direct buyer, get a fair price, and close on the date of your choice, and bypass all of those hoops that you don't have to jump through any hoops working with us, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation, by the way. And yes, it's Columbus in the website, but we're very familiar with Finneytown and all over Cincinnati and all over Ohio. But when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your closing timeline so we can accommodate your needs. If you need to close quickly, we can do that. Or if you need more time and flexibility, we can do that as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer. If the offer works for you, great. We'll move forward. If it doesn't work for you, we're never going to apply any pressure or try to force you into anything or leave a bad taste in your mouth. That's what the call centers do. The call centers are the ones sending you the text messages and, the cold calls and things like that. We're local. We're here in Ohio. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials so we can show you. We're proud of what we do. We're not a call center. A lot of those call centers, I'm not saying they're all bad, but that's just real estate marketing. A lot of them aren't even located in Ohio or even in the United States. It's the way it works. So work with somebody who knows the area, and we're able to accommodate your needs and get this thing done. So if you have a house in Finneytown and you want a fair offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin, and I look forward to speaking to you, and I look forward to working with you.